I was interviewing into multiple companies, but didn't get selected or not getting any first rounds interview. My resume not getting selected, but I didn't lose hope. And from my friend, I got to know about Accio jobs. So I have researched at my own, got to know about the placement team and everything. So I have talked to multiple department heads from Accio job, and finally enrolled 2 months self-paced course in did last year December. So after enrolling it, I had an opportunity to join a startup in Kolkata.
So, hi everyone. We have Ramakrishna with us today, and he recently got placed at Chloron, right? So, we will be getting to know about his journey. How did he started? What was the driving force with which he came here to Accio job and got upskilled himself, and then finally got a job in Chloron, right? So, over to you, Ramakrishna. You can start with introducing yourself first.
Yeah, sure. So myself, I'm Krishna Kormukar. I'm from Kolkata. So I have graduated in 2023 and got into another organization from my campus placement. But due to some unforeseen sequences, I left the organization last year around September. So then after I was interviewing into multiple companies, but didn't get selected or not getting any first rounds interview. My resume not getting selected, but I didn't lose hope. And from my friend, I got to know about Accio jobs. So I have researched at my own, got to know about the placement team and everything. So I have talked to multiple department heads from Accio job, and finally enrolled 2 months self-paced course in did last year December. So after enrolling it, I had an opportunity to join a startup in Kolkata. So I am currently in that organization only, but last month in May I have cleared all of my mocks. So then I have got the opportunity to sit for the placement. So from there got selected into Chloron after interviewing almost 4 or 5 companies. Yeah.
Got it. So, you mentioned that you joined Accio job in last year October, right? Around October? December. So, in 6 months, you were able to get a placement from here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And when you joined, how was your family's response? Were they supportive because you already had a job, right? And then were they supportive of you to go for another upskilling program or a course or something like that?
Yeah, they had always supported me because I was doing a job, and the situation was not suitable for me on that time. So because of that, they told that you should have skill, and here there also we have placement opportunities, so you should join. They also told. So according to them and from my research, I have joined Accio job.
Got it. Now, you also mentioned one thing that, your resume was not getting shortlisted. When you were applying on your own, the issue that you were facing was that your resume was not getting shortlisted. Did in any way Accio job help you, develop your resume in such a way that, the number of rejections decreased, exponentially or something like that? Did it happen with you here?
Yes, the resume I have updated after the mock clear. The mentor helped me to get my resume done. I have also added the GitHub links and all, totally refactored my resume. So the resume is a lot better than before when I was applying for jobs.
Got it. And something specific that helped you a lot as compared to, things that you were doing previously to kickstart this job search journey. Something specific that helped you a lot from Accio job?
Yes. So there was a lot of small opportunities I am getting before, but now as per the placement, there are many companies coming to the portal in a month. Around 20-25 companies approach. So the shortlisting percentage gets increased, and because I was applying to random jobs, to random companies through LinkedIn or Indeed. So the placement, all of the team has helped me a lot, being it resume shortlisting or placement or upskilling, everything helped me.
Got it. And how were the mock sessions? Like you mentioned mocks quite a few times. So how were your mock interviews? What exactly helped you in those sessions?
Yeah, so the first was the mid-course mock. So it was kind of easy as I already knew some part of JavaScript, almost intermediate level. So I had to just brush it up my skills and also the DSA and the mid-course mock was fairly easy. And after that, the full course mock, like I had to run some front end and back end code of my own into my local machines. So that kind of like not challenging, but I would say it was like more moderately tough compared to the mid course mock in the full
Got it.
course mock. So yeah.
Got it. Now, see, I conduct these evening demo sessions, right, for our potential students who can, join AccioJob. And there is one question that a lot of working professionals ask me is that they are currently working, they have some job. So there is this doubt the self-doubt that they have, ki with my job, along with my job, will I be able to upskill myself? So for people like you who are already working and yet they enrolled in AccioJob, do you have something, any suggestion for them? Like उनके मन में बहुत डाउट होता है कि पता नहीं वो कर पाएंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे जॉब के साथ साथ. तो ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कोई मैसेज आप देना चाहोगे उनको?
Yeah, sure. So like time management is like a crucial thing to manage AccioJob and or any course that you are doing with your job. So like I was my shift is around 10 to 7. So after going to home, so I usually take some rest, and after that I join the classes or some assignments that I have to do. So like 2 to 3 hours I do that thing, and after that I do my usual stuff and all of that. So like I had to allot 2-3 hours of my day in the evening to like brush up my skills and also learn new things. So like time management have to do.
Absolutely correct, right? वो तो like very true. Students should have the willingness. If you have the willingness, anything is possible. Be it with your job, without your job, you can upskill as long as you are willing to do it for yourself, right? Okay,
Yes.
got. Now, once you got to know that you got placed in Chloron, what role and CTC did you get in Chloron?
Yeah, so I was selected as a monster developer as a full stack, and the CTC they are offering is around 4 LPA when I am within Chloron. But as they deploy me on the client location or client project, the CTC will be around 5.
Acha, got it. So when you got to know that you got this offer, how was your reaction? Like, were you happy? Were you excited about it? How was it?
Yeah, I was very happy. Like I have to move out to the new city, got to know about many things, and also a new organization. So like, yeah, I'm excited to join.
Nice. And how was your family's reaction when they got to know that you got another job?
Yeah, they was also happy. Like here the company's condition is not very good. So like as I got into a stable company, I have a stable salary and everything. So like they are happy.
All right, understood. Thank you so much, Ramakrishna. So before we end the session, there is one last thing that I would like to ask you. Is that if you want to describe AccioJob in a sentence, how would you do that?
Like I can say it is like a alternative to college, I can say, for a small period of time to get a good job if you are not getting from college.
All right, Ramakrishna. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us, and we congratulate you a lot for this new placement that you've got.